Hey guys, and in today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can come up with viral video ideas that can attract more clicks, more views, more subscribers, and eventually more money. Because as we know, more subscribers equal more money, right? So many people ask me, how do you come up with new video ideas every single week? Well, I am going to show you exactly that. With that being said, we, the YouTubers, face a regular problem in finding what is going to be the next video that we are going to put up. What are people actually searching for? What are the things that are trending right now? These are questions we ask ourselves all the time. Now, in that process, it's very essential that we find video ideas that have the potential to go viral, that have the potential to get high click-through rates, and that have the potential to attract more audience. That is the key, you guys. We don't want to just get lost in the sea of videos. Now I'll show you 8 different ways in which you can produce video ideas for yourself. Now these are not going to be any random ideas, but viral video ideas that can help you grow your channel. And the best part, some of these methods are going to be absolutely free of cost as well, so don't worry, and please don't skip any part of it because this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial where I'll show you every part of it and it contains many secret tips. So without further ado, let's jump inside of my laptop and let me show you how to do this stuff. Alright, so the first method to find viral video ideas is by using YouTube itself. That's right, YouTube is pretty smart and it tries to guess what you're searching for even before you finish typing. This is gold, you guys, pure gold. So let's say your channel is about makeup tutorials. Go ahead and type in makeup tutorial in the YouTube search bar. See what happens? Even before you hit enter, YouTube starts suggesting popular searches related to makeup tutorials. You'll see things like makeup tutorial for beginners, makeup tutorial easy, makeup tutorial for brown eyes, and so on. This, my friends, is a gold mine of video ideas. These are the exact phrases people are searching for. Now here's a little secret trick. Try adding letters of the alphabet after your main keyword. For example, type makeup tutorial A, then makeup tutorial B, and so on. You'll be surprised by the unique and long-tail keywords that pop up. These are less competitive and can give you a great advantage. Another trick is to use an underscore and see what YouTube suggests. This can uncover even more hidden gems in specific niches within your broader topic. Remember, the more specific you get, the better your chances of ranking higher and attracting a targeted audience. Alright guys, let's move on to the second method for finding viral video ideas. This one comes straight from YouTube Studio. Head over to your YouTube Studio dashboard and click on the Analytics tab. Look for the Trends tab at the top. Click on it, and you'll see what your audience is watching and searching for. Pay attention to the High Volume Keywords section. It shows keywords generating a lot of search volume. Explore content gaps to find golden opportunities. Use this data to create engaging and informative content. Hey guys, welcome back. So you want to be a big-time YouTuber, huh? Well, guess what? You gotta know what you're doing. And that means knowing what's hot and what's not. One of the easiest ways to do that is to see what's working for other people. Don't worry, it's not copying. It's called inspiration. Open up your web browser and head over to your favorite YouTuber's channel. I'm talking about the ones in your niche, the ones you look up to, the ones you're secretly a little bit jealous of. Now here's where the magic happens. Remember VidIQ? That awesome tool we talked about? Go ahead and install that bad boy if you haven't already. Once you've got it, you'll be able to see all sorts of juicy details about their videos, like which ones are getting the most views, the most likes, the most comments, you name it. So now you're looking at all these numbers and thinking, what does it all mean? Don't worry, my friend, I got you. We're gonna break it down together. See those videos with like a gazillion views? Those are your golden tickets. Take a close look at those titles, those thumbnails, those descriptions. What are they doing right? What kind of keywords are they using? Write those keywords down. This is valuable intel, people. These are the words that are making people click, the words that are getting them views, the words that are making them money. We're going to use these keywords to our advantage. And the best part? You can do this with as many channels as you want. The more you spy, the more intel you gather, the better prepared you'll be to create your own viral videos. It's like a treasure hunt, but instead of gold, we're looking for views. So go forth, my little ninjas, and conquer the YouTube algorithm. Alright, you awesome YouTubers in the making. In the last chapter we were playing detective and spying on the competition, remember? We found those juicy keywords they've been hiding. Now, we're taking it to the next level. We're going to use a super secret tool called VidIQ Keyword Explorer. Yeah, it's that good. This tool is like having a crystal ball that tells you exactly what people are searching for on YouTube. So, how do you use this magical tool? It's super easy. You just type in a keyword related to your niche, and boom! VidIQ will show you everything you need to know. I'm talking search volume, competition, and even an overall score for how well your video might perform. Okay, so you've got all this data in front of you. What do you do with it? Don't worry, I'm not going to leave you hanging. First, let's look at search volume. This tells you how many people are searching for that keyword every single month. The higher the search volume, the more potential viewers you have. But hold your horses, we're not done yet. Next up, we've got competition. This is where things get interesting. High competition means there are already a ton of videos out there vying for that keyword. Don't worry, it doesn't mean you can't rank for it, but it might take a little more effort. Finally, we have the overall score. VidIQ takes all the data, crunches the numbers, and spits out a score that tells you how likely your video is to rank for that keyword. Pretty cool, right? So that being said, those were the 8 ways in which you can find viral video ideas for your YouTube channel, be it on any niche, be it on any kind of keyword that you want. And remember, finding the right video ideas is just the first step. Once you've got your ideas, it's all about creating high-quality content that people will actually want to watch. The best part, as I've already told you, many of them are absolutely free to use. You can literally start using Google Trends and ChatGPT today to start brainstorming ideas. No need to spend a dime. You can also get started for free with VidIQ and TubeBuddy as well. They both offer free plans that give you access to a bunch of features, so you can try them out before committing to a paid plan. You can find the links in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.